All right, let's dive into Atomic Habits by James Clear. Picture this, you're trying to make a change, whether it's hitting the gym, eating better, or becoming more productive. But it feels like no matter how hard you push, nothing sticks. That's where Atomic Habits comes in. Clear's entire philosophy revolves around this idea. Massive success isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about making tiny, consistent improvements that add up over time. Clear calls these tiny improvements atomic habits, the small, almost unnoticeable changes that compound into something powerful. The premise is simple. If you get just 1% better every day, those small gains will eventually lead to huge transformations. But how do you get started? Clear breaks it down into 4 simple steps, known as the 4 laws of behavior change. First up, make it obvious. If you want to start a new habit, you have to create the right environment for it. Let's say you want to read more. Place a book where you can see it, or set up a specific time to read. The second law, make it attractive. You need to find a way to make the new habit something you look forward to, maybe by combining it with something you enjoy. Want to exercise? Maybe do it while listening to your favorite music. The third law is make it easy. The more friction you remove, the more likely you'll follow through. Make the habit as simple and convenient as possible. If your goal is to start running, lay out your workout clothes the night before. The fourth law, make it satisfying. When you can see the progress or feel rewarded, it reinforces the habit and makes you want to keep going. But here's where things get really interesting. Atomic Habits isn't just about creating good habits, it's about breaking bad ones too. Clear shows how the same 4 laws can be reversed to make bad habits harder to stick to. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, and make it unsatisfying. One of the most powerful takeaways from the book is this. It's not about achieving overnight success, it's about showing up consistently. The results might not be immediate, but the compounding power of these small habits will eventually lead to big changes. Clear's message is clear, no pun intended. It's not the big goals that matter, it's the tiny, incremental steps that you take every single day. Change happens when you shift your focus from outcome-based goals to becoming the type of person who consistently takes small actions. Want to be a reader? Read 1 page a day. Want to be healthier? Start by drinking 1 glass of water in the morning. Over time, these small habits shape your identity and create the person you want to become. So what small habit can you start today that could change your future? If this breakdown of Atomic Habits resonated with you, grab a copy and begin building those tiny, powerful changes. And don't forget to hit that like button if this summary gave you something to think about. Let me know in the comments what habit you're going to focus on, and make sure to subscribe for more impactful book summaries like this one.